Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using the Google Play Store, then just a quick video to let you know that Google has released a new update for the Play Store. And the new update is you can now search through reviews. So if you spend a lot of time reading reviews before downloading an app or game, this could be a useful feature and a move in the right direction. So basically, Google is rolling out a dedicated search bar to let you search through all the user comments. Now, this was spotted by the folks over at Android Authority. I'll leave the article in the description. So basically, how this all works is to use the feature, you would first need to go to an app's listing. So let's just click on any app here and then head down to the ratings and reviews. And here you'll see, you will click on see all reviews. Now, I'm not noticing this yet for desktop, but it is rolling out according to Android Authority for mobile, the Play Store on mobile. So in this section, if we head to images provided, you will see a search bar here at the top where you can search for specific terms to see what users think of the app. So there's the search bar. If we head to the next image provided, it's also been noted that there is no semantic search. So it will not work unless you type the exact word or words that you're looking for. So just take note of that. And apparently this update started rolling out with version 50.7 of the Play Store. So if you are using the Play Store on Android, then just go check that out. You might be in luck. And I do think that, as I would say on the channel, is a small significant move in the right direction. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.